How to hide followers in Instagram from friends without a private account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how we can hide followers in Instagram from friends without a private account. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, go ahead and open up your Instagram, and once you're logged in, you'll be finding this interface. So in order to hide followers from friends without making your account private, what you can do is you can just head over to the person's profile. For example, this particular friend of mine, I want to hide my followers from him. So if you haven't followed each other and you want to hide followers in Instagram without making it private, you can just go ahead and tap on the three dot beside the profile and go ahead and restrict their account. What that will do is they won't be able to see up your followers. So that is it. That is how you can hide followers in Instagram from friends without following them. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.